back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning and rearranging, well, tidying up our extra bedroom or Aunia's room or guest room. So we slept here yesterday and Aunia did something, so I have to wash everything again instead of washing it next week. So all of our linens here are clean and it really smells good. So as you can see on my background, it's kind of a mess. It's not really a mess, but then when Aunia's here, when we're sleeping here, Aunia grabs everything. So here, this is not supposed to be here. This is not supposed to be here. And this is not supposed to be here also. And also this one is not supposed to be here. So I have to put things back because you'll never know when guest comes over. So let's get things started. And first, I'm going to do the bed. Pow!
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see. Never feeling wrong cause we don't belong, and getting high in love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible.
And I'm done. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you in our next one. Bye.